'89 GMC Jimmy, aka K5, sitting on them 35 Swampers. Let me get the. I just bought this truck, man. As is. I'm not even gonna tell you what I paid for it. All you just need to know, I just copped this thing. This is the '89 GMC Jimmy, fuel injected, Flow Masters, dual exhaust. I'll go start this thing up for y'all right quick. And if you look at that interior a little bit, got the little GT wood grain. Now, go ahead and start them up for you. Hear that exhaust. Got a little ding in the door right there. Hood kind of tweaked a little bit, but there ain't nothing I can't fix. Another little ding right there. A minor cosmetic blemish. All the interior still got stuff in the back that I ain't cleaned out yet, but this how I got the truck as is. Got the Rancho shocks all around. Sorry about that.